The big raft one seems to be really busy today, but the other body slides seem to be not too bad. Wow, it's really coming along now. They got the entrance platform done. That wasn't here last week. Now the safety fence done and the concrete poured. Wow. Looks like they're almost there. So much activities. Yeah, no, Moosehorn Falls looks like it's going to be fun. Tons of fun. Can't wait for that one to open. Looking forward to it opening up soon. Hit subscribe, hit that button down there. And if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.